Take one, slightly dodgy area. Had a swag motor with the keys left in it. It's crying out to be taken for a spin by any strolling scallies, but this little number's been down the swag garage for a quick service and now it's ready to be tampered with. But patience is a virtue, so we sat back and waited for the action to begin. Ah, now, these two look like they fancy a free ride. That's right, you get in fellas, we'll take it from here. Right, they're trapped. Cue the music. We'll leave them going crazy in there for a while and catch up with them later. But now... Still snowed under, and our two boys are getting a bit stormier. We'll let them cool down in there and see them a bit later. You could try the door. It does open. No? Just keep shouting then.
Ain't opening! Keep video camera, blood!
I think that one went down a storm.